Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.
Whilst we are working on it, Oba had the other time, Ibisa about Sirens. It is saying?
Oh, Sirens, dear chairman, if you next week, Krumbe.
Every next week?
Oh, Krumbe.
Then it
Yeah, to Tony, I'm one, and you know what them medical sound do send informations among Crawford. To Yami, I don't want Monday, Tuesday, you better minka.
Okay.
I was Sirens, me reaper, IGP so ebeba. No, the boom. Or the boom we are, Yabemo America cra. Now, one thing is Sirens, any tinted glasses.
Okay.
Sebio, as a chairman of the regional, Ubeka said, what locals do I have? As a regional minister, I'm the chairman of the Regional Security Council.
Yeah.
So I stand on that leg. Say, I'm not saying in the country. I'm only saying, sir, you can use your siren in other regions.
But not in your region.
In region Hanua, rest secretary and pesarins. I know the Seb, you would do whatever region. Na obeso yusu saria. That is a honor secasem.
But Minister, how are you going to enforce it? Because as I told you the other day, ministers, deputy ministers, chief executives, so-called big men in society, party functionaries. Well, you know the people who do it. Apart from some businessmen, pastors,
Chairman, next week, you know, you can't watch them. Now we are near 1 month. After 1 month, no, to say they are starting Medina, no, obedi one dance because they can't be. Men say anche.
Yeah.
Because usually, you know, persons occupying sensitive positions and as government appointees, no. You know, you will be a Yanukusi. The chief of staff for Catcher said, me in Susari, that's when Tia. And you say, yeah, Minamie. And you know, you better to some running in a year. Name we are near regularizing. Because a Mrano actually woman say you so. And in some security agencies near Menina.
Yeah.
Now, Fe near Shisha. Because yeah, to 2 near money ye. DVL who bebem. Also for whom bebem. And yes, I feel I may could you spinters. Not me tremwana obiaba. Yes, she ye. Say, Baya, Yanni telcos when you're Baya Niama. And think I betray one try foot on one Sunday. So we are putting in place measures. And to me now, so Yamia Dum next week, near my 1 month. 1 month just will be a quacky. Because companies crowd put a fixed Saniaman so soon. Yes, so when you know register. Who fixes Sirens MOB? National Security in Clearwa. Then, and also so on, because to be fixes security near Mano, now as a company, Yenimo. And the Nina will be part of the processes of ensuring the abuse of the use of Sirens, no, even minimized. Into America, say, Yami Aduma next week, I know my best started. Now, now, I put for near Jamomo. And she shared a dear. I'm person training now. Share to Vienna. Now, so we have to May ending. From June, Yami Aduma. Wouldn't when you so you've been given enough notice. And the answer said, we'll take it from there.
If there's anyone that will succeed in Nana Akufo-Addo's government, is the Greater Accra Regional Minister. He is doing very well, and I pray he continues with it. I also pray the party big guys will not interfere in his work. Tell him I now have a motorway. So we meeting at the barbering shop at Osu is a thing of the past. Agbesinuchu NDC. Agbesinuchu. Minister, minim se obabe yedru maybe. My brother-in-law, the regional minister, speaks impeccable tree, even better than me and Osaya Bebio. He's such a gentleman. I met him once in his office and I was introduced by my roommate Joe Wise. The minister is such a giant. Just shake his hands and see. Well, I've known him for years and I know the kind of man he is. Now, Minister, Edian Ababe, Ninisobe sanitation, maybe. Ain't metro sanitation or has maybe so.
Yeah.
But menyaninti Edian Potina Babe.
Yo, Chairman, the TN say, and so no better.
Yes.
Na obronisi prevention is better than cure. And you know, Nyamia don't she bebre. I say, Ochina Thursday, yeah.
Ochayawada.
Aha, ye be clean up free Kaukudi. And ya forgot a kesiene dani mantemu hono ebefa Paloma Chi. Na fa asylum down sa hono bus stop echire hono. Unu se hono ya na nso to anaka asekola kotutom.
Yeah.
And you know, yeah, massive one. But onyame adum metumia lobby national security. And yebenya asoja for kakra, a police for kakra, immigration for kakra to join in the exercise. Zoom Lion is providing all the logistics. Assemblies no Iowa so north, east, central, west wagon are coming together with one more task force and logistics in na fe collect so any AMA is Bruni Bekaza is intertwined. Na fe ni enya Okankwe south of Fokakra. It's near year size no. Fire phone by his to me the machine no a blow got and ananka them. Because the hono in China a yiri a creative problem.
And ananka my baby sound. How long will this last? Because in China a yiri mubabe ye amount for bet to bolegum. Ama nasa babe abeyema. How often can we do this?
I'm a ball alone there, Sebio, but them says say no awareness no back a cracker. You'll be surprised as you say no, a man for a baby, because assemblies near catch some say they should start enforcing the bylaws. And in cleaning got and you especially need my children. Maybe we'll have to introduce the Kane neighborhood watch no. And yet, me person we make us a human right. Ushi ball and go got no more. Yebe ma ura got no. No pra got no. Say ushi go.
Yeah.
This is a ball no. Now it's not punishment. The baby the ushi go no say sanasi so be there so can. And I think say yes 30 years up no be a than in who Sebio citizen watchman. What you say is idea in but me gidi say ya antitimu kola so and so no to ebe hardwin because June 3rd there ewo me tikopa
Okay, June 3rd one.
Papa sa da ni ekujira hobi na chairman me pie accident scenes so my cause be mortuaries but that day I will never forget it because Kia truck said they need a load ni pan no ano she na dia yakora say bia nso afa obusi eni nso I want to me identify no po then poet to me a ye come mano. The empire boss a TF4. They shouldn't see say Henry Court a banner or hatching, but they should see the say and crying a baby a yenya yeti. Yenya deep park a crack yen sako yano. Yemwa na baby a yetino, and ya kama my yenya yen to me deeper na a dear son yakodakama.
In all of this, Mentiswaka Udona.
And say, extend the call.
Okay.
Internet make us call it clotting, and then I talk about Okankwe South because there's an extension to that place.
Well, finally, Ochina time and we started to begin with.
Oh, yes, starting in some one starting in Tamuayana, Bedu Bear, on say you watch the
Yeah.
You know, me stress ye binya area for so volunteer to help us. Nan correct so much ho hwe. Until starting in term, maybe as first in the morning. As a we are bana nipa bre. So as early as possible, no, you best start. Now
Peace FM 104.3. Good to meet you.